Hey guys, Kimmy Vapes here, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash impressions, my thoughts on a new company coming out of China that produces battery chargers and batteries. And the name of that company is Efan. And what I'll be reviewing today in the video is going to be their Efan M8 Air Intelligent Charger. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the charger. I'll go ahead and hold up. I have the charger right here for you guys. So here is the M8 Air Intelligent Charger. Now this charger is not a digital charger. It does have just a basic LED readout here across the top. So while batteries are charging, your LED lights are going to be blue. And then once the batteries are finished charging, they'll turn green. Now when there are no batteries in the slots, the LED lights do remain green and stay on continuously. So let's talk a little bit about the charger and its specifications. So as you can see, it is an 8-slot or 8-bay charger. It's capable of charging all batteries with a diameter smaller than 26 millimeters by 84 millimeters, I believe. So basically this charger is capable of charging all your 18650s, 2700s, 21700s, 2350s, 2650s, all the batteries that we use for vaping. So each individual bay is capable of up to 1 amp charging, with the exceptions of slots 1 and 8. When only slots 1 and 8 are in use, they are capable of 2 amp charging. All the rest of these slots are 1 amp charging. And then of course when you have all of the slots filled, they will each charge at 0.5 amps. Now if you charge 4 batteries, you're going to be able to charge 4 batteries at 1 amps each. So as I said before, the Air M8 is not a digital charger. It is an intelligent charger though. So this charger is capable of detecting the voltage of your battery and determining whether or not it's safe to charge. It states in the manual that this charger will not charge a battery lower than 0.5 volts. Which, to be completely honest with you guys, I have no testing equipment. I have no ability to actually test if this charger is an intelligent charger. All I can do is give you my opinions and my experiences with the charger. So I have been using the charger for quite some time now. I've put this charger through at least 20 battery charge cycles in it, and I do have some positive things to say about it. One is that as they advertise, as far as the charging time, they advertise that you'll be able to charge it from start to finish in 5 hours, and that's going to be using all 8 bays. And I did find that with their batteries, because I did, and that's going to be in a video later, but I did also receive batteries from them, and with all of the batteries in all 8 slots, I did find it took about 5.5 hours for me to completely charge all 8 batteries. So it did stick true to what the manual said there. Another thing about charging the batteries, I did do a comparative with my Nicor D4 charger. Now that is a digital charger and it's a 4-bay charger, but I felt like I could equally compare them on certain aspects. So one of the aspects that I did use for comparing with the Nicor and the M8 Air charger was to see how warm it gets, because I will say my Nicor D4 charger gets pretty warm when it's charging batteries, and so I wanted to see how warm does this one get, especially with all 8 slots. So I put all 8 slots of batteries, and then I proceeded to charge right alongside my Nicor D4 charger and continuously checking the temperatures just by touch, not with any temperature reading device or anything. So what I did find is, even with all 8 slots being used, that this charger did remain much cooler than my Nicor D4, which is nice. A charger getting warm necessarily isn't a sign of anything wrong or bad. Some chargers do get warmer than others. I am confident to say that this one did remain cool throughout its use on all of the bays, as well as when I was testing the 2 amp on the 1 and the 8 slot. So it is adequately vented, I must note. It has venting both on the sides as well as it also has venting on the back. It does have nice little rubber feet that allows it to be raised up from the table. And just a couple precautionary things that I want to share with you guys. Whenever you're charging batteries, never leave them unattended, even if you are using them in a charger with safety protections or a charger that has been reliable to you. Never leave your batteries charging unattended. Never go to bed and leave them charging, and certainly never leave your house and leave batteries charging in your charger. Usually what I do is when I'm not down here and using the charger, I actually have a circuit breaker that these are plugged into that I go ahead and flip off. And I'm not trying to scare you or anything. It is just really important to know battery safety as well as charger safety. Always inspect your batteries before you place them in your charger. Make sure your batteries are not damaged, that the wraps are intact, and things like that. Also, make sure that there's nothing inside here. You can see it has a They do have spring-loaded slots there, which are partially covered in plastic, and then the other portion here is metal and springs down. Really nice, springy, responsive. I've had no problems fitting all of my batteries in here. There's no issues with size for me. So overall, I'm really happy with the performance of the YiFan M8 Air Intelligent Charger. Unfortunately, I can't tell you where to buy it. I did notice on imrbatteries.com, they do have the digital 6-bay YiFan charger for, I think it was like $39.95, basically $40 for the digital 6-bay version of the YiFan. Now, I cannot speak to the quality of that one because I have not tried that one, but I will say if you can find this one online, since it's not digital, I assume that it should be around the same price point or cheaper than the digital 6-bay one that they're producing that they already have for sale, simply because this one does not have a digital readout. So if you can find it and you're looking for a new charger, I do think this is a good charger. It's been working really well for me, and I will continue to use it. Now, speaking about the batteries, I did receive batteries from Efan as well, and I do have some tests and some things that I want to say about those as well, but I'm going to save that for another video. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, click that subscribe, and if you are, don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you get notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.